Hello everybody, getting ready to do lesson 4.2 for pre-algebra math, part 1. And here is our lesson for today. We got a 34-point class worksheet to do today. And we have 2 points here of note-taking. Today's teachers, here's the bell work for today. Write the mixed numbers in proper fraction. And then find the product to your students. Give your students 3-4 minutes. Welcome back for our solutions. There's our solution for our first problem here in the bell work. 8 times 6 plus 5 over 6 is 53 over 6. Find your product here. We just multiply across and we get 18. We get 54 over 3, which is 8. Into our lesson, music choir. A choir director wants to divide a choir into small groups. The choir has 24 sopranos, 60 altos, and 36 tenors. Each group will have the same number of each type of voice. What is the greatest number of groups that can be? A common factor. Let's go into some vocabulary here before we tackle that problem. A common factor is a whole number that is a factor of 2 or more non-zero whole numbers. The greatest of the common factors is the GCF, or the greatest common factor. Students, in your own words, define common factor and define greatest common factor. This is your classwork, page 3 in your classwork sheet. Okay, getting back to that problem. For the choir problem, the greatest number of groups that can be formed is the GCF of 24, 60, and 36, so we can form a choir group, or the greatest number of choir groups. You can use one of the 2 methods to find GCF. So list the factors of each number, identify the greatest number that is on every list. Okay, so let's break it down. Factors of 24, here they are. 12, why does 12 stand out? Well, factors of 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, and 60. And then factors of 36, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. And then the GCFs of are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. The GCF of these 2 groups is 12 here, of 60 and 30. And so for 24 as well, so we have 24 here, 2, we have 2s, everything has 2. So the common prime factors are 2, 2, and 3. So we have 2, 2, and 3 here. We have a 5 here. None of the others have a 5, but they all have 2 2s and a 3. So the GCF is 2 times 2 times 3, 2 times 2 times 3. They all have that. And what is that? So the greatest number of groups that can be formed is 12. Each group will have 24 divided by 12 sopranos, 60 divided by 12 altos, and 36 divided by 12 tenors. So that'd be one way that you could figure out what you could put into each group by factoring each one of these down and then finding your GCF that way. Okay, let's find a GCF of this. Students, this is yours here. So let's find a GCF of these numbers here, and then factors of 27. We have 9 here on each one of these. 2, 1, 3, got a 3 here. This one goes way out. The GCF of these 3 numbers would be 9 here. Greatest common factor would be 9. What about this, students? That's part 1 of 4.2. Part 2, part 3 will be available at this email here, and as well as test quizzes, and online tutoring. Thank you.